Well, good evening, good morning and good afternoon. It's your favorite boy JG TechNet coming in with another video to you all. This is pretty much just about a new power supply I got to my personal PC upgrade. So let's get into the unboxing. Let's go. Well, you just saw the unboxing of the product itself. Now it comes to just simple specs, what it does, what is the difference between this power supply and other brand's power supply. First of all, it's called a Lian Li Edge series and it comes from 850 watt to 1300 watts. And you can get it in 80 gold certification or you can get it in 80 plus platinum certification. And no titanium, just platinum and gold certification. And then it is in white and it's in black. And the two main key features that comes to it that is different from all other power supplies and brands, let me show you. And that is when you see actually the front of the PSU. There's two things. Well, why is there two things on this power supply? That doesn't look normal. Well, it is not normal. First of all, the connectors to connect into your motherboard, to GPU, to CPU and everything is down here. And makes it, again, as you can see, a lot easier, a lot cleaner to connect it to your build, and makes cable management, cable routing a lot cleaner and easier to plug in, plug out, put new things in, because it's not stuck in here, it's actually down here and makes it a lot easier to access. And then the second thing is the controller right here, because that doesn't normally as well not go on a power supply. What does this controller do? Well, you get extra fan hubs, you get extra USB ports, and you remove them actually from the main board. So when you have AIOS controllers, you have fan controllers and so on, there's normally USB to that. You gotta connect to the motherboard. It doesn't look that nice. Well, they have now put it on the power supply so you can actually hide it instead. So you have less cable on the motherboard, more cables on the power supply. So you got 4 extra USB ports and 5 extra fans to connect to. Like this power supply, it's one of the cleanest, one of the beautiful aesthetics wise power supply I've ever seen made from any series. ASUS makes some good ones, Gigabyte makes some good ones, Corsair also makes some really beautiful one, but I gotta say this one is the most beautiful one yet. And it's both in black and white, of course. Both of them look it's the same rating, same wattage, it's just a different color. And also when it comes to the cables, when you buy a white power supply from Lian Li, you get white cables. When you buy a black series from Lian Li, you get black cables to match the aesthetics when it comes to the power supply. When you want a white build, you take the white power supply. When you want a black build, you take the black power supply. And I don't know why no one have thought of this yet. Like Lian Li is the first brand ever to think of a USB hub built into the power supply unit with fan hub and USB port, and also remove and relocate power supply connectors down here to make it easy to use, easy to route cables and more. So again, big props to Lian Li for doing this, because it is one of the best power supplies I would say ever made really nice. And that's pretty much it for this power supply. Why is it different from every other power supply out there, and why I actually bought it was for the USB and the fan hub, and also the relocation of the power connectors itself. So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another amazing video from your favorite boy JG Tech Nerd. And I will see you all on the next video. Stay safe, stay awesome. Signing out.